Coursiify, world's first AI app that uses machine learning to build us a profitable Udemy-like business. Then drives 19,575 clicks to it daily, resulting in $124.46 in daily sales. Pre-filled with courses, course title, videos, images, templates, reviews, FAQs and more. No experience needed, just talk to our smart assistant, Sonia, and she will do all the work for you. Create your first e-learning platform in just a few seconds. AI content generator that will give you 99% human-like accuracy. Our AI assistant, Sonia, will do all the work for you. No need to learn or record anything yourself. Generate AI courses in any niche you want with zero previous experience. Coursiify will give you all the traffic you need with zero ads. Accept payments with any payment processor you like. Comes with a commercial license for 100% free. Choose from dozens of stunning templates or customize your own. 99.99% uptime guaranteed. No complicated setup, get up and running in 2 minutes. Zero upfront cost. 30 days money back guarantee. This is what our partners have to say about their seamless experience with Coursiify. You are about to join the club with the top dogs of the e-learning industry. With just 4 clicks, you can join them effortlessly. Udemy earns $165.33 million per year. Coursera earns $178.21 million per year. Masterclass earns $94.9 million per year. Skillshare earns $74.2 million per year. EDX earns $101.9 million per year. Udacity earns $85.1 million per year. Imagine starting a 7-figure business without doing any work. You're just 4 clicks away from starting your own Udemy-like business. Without creating any courses, without designing anything, and without coding anything. Coursiify even handle all of our traffic for us for 100% free. Step 1. Log in to Coursiify cloud-based app. Step 2. Simply enter a keyword. Our AI assistant, Sonia, will take care of the rest. Step 3. Click one button and you are done. Coursiify will give you a fully functional e-learning business within seconds. Step 4. Profit. Coursiify sends us traffic that converts into sales like this. Sonia gives us DFY profitable business. When we say DFY, we really mean done for you. Sonia does all the work for us. All the research, all the designing, all the coding, all the setup, all the market. Sonia works 24/7 on the back end. Finally, own your e-learning platform. Your all-in-one e-learning solution. Forget half-baked apps with Coursiify. You get your own sleek e-learning platform, just like Udemy or Masterclass, in under a minute. No hassle, no BS, just excellence. That looks like. Comes with a course page, curriculum page, chatting system, even AI quizzes. Bonus 1. Coursiify 6-figure in 60 days live event. Join the exclusive live event and get our proven system for making big money fast, absolutely free. It's worth 5 times what you're paying today. Bonus 2. Coursiify Course Builder Pro. Easy way to create, publish, and share online lessons quickly. Boost your earnings like a pro by using this amazing tool to launch your next course with Coursiify. Bonus 3. Coursiify Course Launcher. Easily launch your first online course like a pro in any field, even with no experience. Follow this simple guide to turn your knowledge into a professional course and start selling on your Coursiify e-learning platform. Bonus 4. Coursiify Traffic Booster. Boost your sales with more traffic. If you're wondering how to market your e-learning site for more sales, this traffic system is a game changer. Learn top secret tips to drive tons of visitors to your Coursiify platform, skyrocketing your sales and course profits. Bonus 5. Coursiify Course Engagement Hacks. Keep your audience engaged and focused. Learn how to keep your course students motivated and active with our step-by-step system. Increased engagement builds trust, leading to more sales for your other courses. If you purchase through the link in the description, I'll give you a bonus worth $297 for free. To get this bonus, just take a screenshot of your purchase and send it to me on Instagram. Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe for more videos.